This is numbers 9 through 11 on the study guide. On number 9, we're going to be graphing this transformation, so we kind of look at what is actually happening. If you notice here, our y is staying the same, but our x is going opposite. This is really just a reflection over the y-axis. Y-axis, y stays the same. So basically, you're going to be going over this line, the y-axis. So if y stays the same, it's 3 units this way. So we're going to go 3 units this way, and we'll call this b prime. If you count here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the line, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4 this way, and that is a prime. Another way you can look at this is, let's just take a. A was currently at -4, -3. And what you could have also done is we were doing the opposite of this x. So the opposite of this x would have been +4, and then we would have kept the y as is, which would have been -3. So the y stayed the same, the x went opposite. So that's another way we could have done that, and you can see here that we plotted that point for -3. Now we'll just connect these, and by the way, you could have done that the same with b. Number 10. It says that we're going to rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise about the point -2, 1. Now, what we first need to do is we actually need to move those points to the origin, so that way we can do our rotation around the origin. To do that, we're going to go right 2 and down 1. So basically, we're going to take our C and go right 2 and down 1. That's going to be C for right now. And D is going to go right 2 and down 1. That's going to be D for right now. Those are the points right there in blue that we're actually going to be rotating here. So right here at my C, C is currently at -1, 1. And D is currently here at 2, 1. And that's what we're going to rotate, 90 degrees counterclockwise, 90 degrees, find the opposite of y, so that'd be -1, and switch them. 90 degrees, find the opposite of this y, and switch them. So now we're going to plot those points as well, and we're going to have to put them back. So let's go ahead and put our points at -1, 1. That's currently where my new C is at. So that right there, and then we have -1, 2, which is right here, which is currently where my D is at. Now, what we need to do is put them back. Well, let's look before. When we first started here at -2, 1, we had to go 2 to the right, and then we had to go 1 down. Well, to go opposite of that, to put them back, we're going to have to go 2 to the left and 1 up. So we're done with that direction. So basically, we're going to take our C here. We've got to go 2 to the left and then 1 up. This is where my C prime will be. With D, we're going to go 2 to the left and then 1 up, which would be right here, which will be D prime. And then we'll connect these. And so if you'll notice here, we have put right here, this point right here at our 2, -1, and that's where we're looking at for our rotation. Then on number 11, it says we're going to reflect over the line x equals -1. So first thing you want to do is set your line x equals -1, and now we're just going to reflect the image by counting our points to that line. So this G is 1, 2, 3, 4 from it, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 this way, that's G prime. F is 1, 2 from it, so we're going to go 1, 2 this way, that's going to be F prime. And then E is 1, 2, 3, 4 from it, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be my E prime. And so now we will draw our picture, and there it is.